Hello, I am Savyasachi Thakkar. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and my practice is focused on caring for people with hip and knee problems. I focus on caring for patients with hip and knee arthritis, sports injuries, traumatic injuries, and I focus on conservative and operative management, especially in cases of complex hip and knee reconstructive procedures. My research is focused on cutting-edge technical advances and technological innovations such as navigation and robotics in the management of hip and knee pain. I also focus my attention on pain management strategies to try and reduce opioids in patients with hip and knee pain. And I focus on optimizing outpatient surgical protocols so that patients can go home the same day after hip and knee surgery and enjoy an active, healthy, and balanced lifestyle. My treatment philosophy is to treat patients with the respect and dignity that they deserve by focusing on the three cornerstones of modern medicine: technical advances, patient-specific empathic care as if patients are my family members, and evidence-based medicine. It would be an honor and privilege to care for you and for your family members.